say hi to them? Hi. What's that? Let's find Ate Malia and Kuya Mario and Tata She. Huh? Let's find them. Where are they? We're at SM. Hanap namin sila Tita She niya. Actually, nasa ano daw sila? Sa Jollibee. So, got it all at SM. Okay, huwag naman sana ito magturo ng mga kung ano-ano. Tingnan natin kung may reaction tong bata. Tinitingnan niya na, oh. Tinitingnan niya na. Tinitingnan niya na. Sabi niya, colorful yun na. That's good, girl. Anak, you pass it. Let's go na, let's go. Karga pa mo, or hindi tayo nagdala ng stroller, anak. Where are they, Tata She? Can you find them? Can you find Tata She? Ah, bigat mo na. Where are they? Huh? Where's Tata She and Malia? Can you find them? Where are they? Where Malia? I can see Malia right there. See Malia? Malia. There, Malia. There, Malia. Malia there, unak Malia. Go Ate Malia there. Come on, go Ate Malia, come on. Hey! Nandito pala kayo. Nandito pala kayo. Say hi! We're having Jollibee with the bossing. And what are you having? Again, that's Kuya Mario. See, Ayana, grab Kuya Mario's French fries. Oh no, baby Yana, did you ask permission to Kuya Mario? That's Kuya Mario, the chicken. I think that's ano. Anak, what you want? Here's yours. Ako yung kinakabahan sa'yo, anak.
She don't like it.
Buti walang patugtog si SM ngayon. Oh, nag-charge pa si si Chucho. Lakad-lakad lang si Mario dito sa SM. Para hindi mainit. O, paano yan? Dali natin to sa playground din. Okay, let's go. Malia, let's go.
Mama, we go to the choo-choo train. Stop na, tayo na kami dyan, ha?
Ang bagal man tong akin. Laki na ng anak ko. Lagi na lang tayo nito, alalay. Lady guard. Saan na kaya sila ship? Punta yun sila sa playground. Ha? Yeah. Second floor? Hindi niya ako nakita. Ang laki ng medyas niya. Babysitter pa more. Hello, Timalia. Yana, baby. Anak. Shh. Ayan na. Uy, I'm here. Nak. Yang. Papa. papasok sa loob. Yaya pa more.
Oh, kaya hindi pa siya makaalis. Kaya wala nang load.
Ayan na. Nak, look at me here. Ayan na.
That's a wobbly. Tata, I can
Yeah.
put balls.
Wait. Nak, ako Diyos ko. Mama won't fit. Ah, where are you? Come here, outside. Hello? Ayan na.
Papa, Papa, quiet.
Dito lang nak, come nak. Shh. Mukha ni ano, ni Haron. Come nak.
Sugat. Sugat.
Daw kayong maingay. Oh, come on na.
Tata.
Tingnan natin kung makakaakyat siya. Can you do it na? Can you go up without my help? Yeah. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung kaya niya. Tingnan natin. Ba. You're very strong, anak. Ako yung kinakabahan. Baka mahugmak tong ano, laruan nila. Ay, naku, Diyos ko niyo, Mara. Uy, Lord. Patawarin. Magkape daw kami, magkape. Come on. Tapos na sila maglaro. Kape naman na. Anak, do you want to take a nap? So lang na, wala tayong stroller. We go up na, we go up. I wonder, is this a real one? Let me see, nak. Let me see. It's a real? Yeah, it's real. Iki yan, totoo pala. Here, Malia! Come here. This way. We're going up. Where? Yeah, we go there. $150 yan.
100 lang kayo natin.
Ay, ito kay Mario. Hingi ka. Hingi ka na.
Grazie, Mario.
Ah.
You don't like the strawberry? Only the blueberry?
What you want? You like this? Marunong pa naman tinan mo. Manurong. Which one? You like that? Marunong din siya mamili.
Strawberry yan na.
Hindi yan mag-ano.
Blueberry dream niya. Masarap yan.
Ang sarap eh, pero kunak. Later, taste it.
Taste it. You want grape?
Strawberry, tinan mo siya. Wait lang, nak. Saan? Oh.
Ito na. Blueberry ako dito. Magkano yung grapes na?
Hindi, yung green. Gusto niya din ng grapes. Okay, anak, wait. Tata will get the grapes. Is it good, Malia? Oh, there, Tata.
Run?
Oh. Uy! Muntik na. Napili. Oh, look at me here. Say thank you. Oh, kuy. Okay, let's go na. You like that one? Are you happy now? Okay, taste it. Is it yummy? Oh, come, let's go. Go. Let's go. Kingdom.
Chicken.
Oh, come on, let's go, Nak. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We will have coffee. No, no. Have to go, Nak. Let's go na you, Marimar. Oh, look, Mario. Oh. Look, oh, Mario. Say thank you, Mario. Lolo Mario, thank you. Do you say Lolo Mario? Yummy daw, yummy. Nati na tayo.
Wow.
Ano sa'yo?
Nothing.
Oh.
Yes. Look at it. Toast naman. Look at your tongue.
Ha? Share lang. I'm full. Yeah. It's okay. Then later you will drink again. I'm okay. My shirt is too tight. I can't breathe. Huh? Yeah, we will share together. I can drink the whole cappuccino. It's too heavy.
You just have to move like this up.
Anak, eat the grapes, anak. Eat na, anak.
Nagsusugar. Paano yan?
Ha?
Di ba naman nagsusugar?
Hindi, okay lang. Kaya mo na, pamilya ako.
Yum, yum.
Parang ang matamis lang yung kinakain mo, nak eh.
Tata,
Yeah.
yesterday I made this with my daddy and mommy.
Yesterday?
Last time.
Last time I
Oh.
made.
Your daddy is not even here.
Palpak naman yung ginawa ng daddy niya.
Bakit? Was it good?
No.
The one that you made with daddy? Mm.
Yeah, no. Yeah, because daddy is a bad cook and mommy is a good cook.
Ay, sana all. Ang galing mambola. Na ng gatas, energetic na naman. Come, let's find Malia. Let's go, find Malia. Ayan na, come, let's go na. Baby. Tingnan mo yung tiyan mo, nak. Look at your tummy. May hawakan pa naman niya. Nakaramdam siya. Let's go, nak. Let's go.
Binahani ka naman si ma'am. Mary.
Ito sila. Baby! Yana! Look at me here. Mommy's here. Kaya niya ba yan mag-isa? Kaya niya ba? Yana, bye-bye. 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 Yana. Bye. Tahimik yung dalawang bata. Chuchu na naman sila. Tambay lang kami dito. Lagi nag-aabang. Pauwi na kami. Inantay lang namin humupo yung ulan kasi ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Pagkatapos ito, uwi na kami. Na si Malia. Nalungkot na si Malia. Wala nang ano. Ito na, bata. Matutuwa kaya to. Oh, nalungkot pa rin. Ayan, Amalia, what happened? Huh? Come, let's go. Here. Mommy's here. Malia. Go on the other side. Go on the other side. Asan si Kuya Mario? Nawala naman na. Sa tabi ko lang yung ginianid to para. Ito pa. Ano, nalungkot? Done, anak? Time to go home?